As we all know, there have been different kind of plagues throughout during the history. Plague are epidemic diseases that causes high mortality or fatal epidemic disease. There are two main forms of plague infection depending on the type of infection. First is bubonic and second is pneumonic. Bubonic plague is the most common form of plague and is caused by the bite of an infected flea or an insect, while pneumonic plague has most severe or harmful effects as it spreads through the droplets of infected person to the others, and if not taken care of, it can be fatal also. There have been different kind of plagues throughout the history, such as Black Death, which was an epidemic in which 75 to 200 million people died in Eurasia and parts of Africa. Apart from these, there was one such plague which has shocked the entire world. Now what is that plague and how did it happen? I will tell you in this video, so let's begin. Before I begin, I would like to request all to please subscribe my channel so that you won't miss any videos I regularly upload. Dancing mania, also called dancing plague, was a social phenomena that occurred mainly in mainland Europe during the period between 14th and 17th centuries. This dancing mania first occurred during June 1374 across Germany, and other famous well-recorded outbreak was in Strasbourg. Now in the year July 1518, in the region of Strasbourg, Europe, a woman in the streets began to dance passionately and she kept dancing non-stop until she collapsed from exhaustion. When she woke up after resting, she again started to dance again intensely, non-stop, and she continued this for days even when her legs were in extreme pain after dancing. Also within a week's time, just like the lady, 30 other people began dancing. They danced as if they had no control over the legs even after getting injured. They kept dancing. Seeing people dancing like crazy, city authorities were alarmed by increasing number of dancers in the city, and they wondered why people were dancing non-stop. Now religious leaders during that time thought that more dancing was solution to this, so they arranged dancers and musicians to gather along with professional dancers. This made matters even worse as 400 people were consumed by dancing compulsion. Number of people died due to extreme physical tiredness, and in the month of September this outbreak began to become less intense. Explanation of doctors during that time was that due to boiling of blood this happened, and some believed this was due to demonic possession. During 20th century, investigators told that the infected might have consumed bread made from rye flour contaminated with fungal disease ergot, which can make convulsion or seizure where body muscles contract and relax rapidly. American sociologists told that dancers were doing this to attract divine favor. However, most accepted theory was of American medical historian John Wheeler, who laid out several reasons for believing dancing plague was form of mass psychogenic disorder. Also, some believed those who failed to please Saint Vitus, patron saint of epileptics, would be cursed by being forced to dance. Such outbreaks are caused under circumstances of extreme stress and generally take form of fears. In Italy, a similar phenomenon was tarantism, in which victims were said to have been poisoned by a tarantula or scorpion. Its earliest known outbreak was in the 13th century, and the only antidote known to dance to a particular music to separate the venom from the blood. As with dancing mania, people would suddenly begin to dance, sometimes affected by a perceived bite or sting, and were joined by others who believed the venom from their own old bites was reactivated by the heat or the music. Dancers would perform a tarantella accompanied by music which would eventually cure the victim, at least temporarily. Some participated in further activities such as tying themselves up with the vines and whipping each other, pretending to sword fight, drinking large amounts of wine, and jumping into the sea. Some died if there was no music to accompany their dancing. Sufferers typically had symptoms resembling those of dancing mania, such as headaches, trembling, twitching, and visions. As with dancing mania, participants apparently did not like the color black, and women were reported to be most affected. To conclude, these incidents like tarantism and dancing plague still remains a mystery. What could be the reason behind it? Human brain is really complicated thing and scientists are still researching on it. If you all like this video, press like button and also share and subscribe, because I will be making videos regularly. So until another video, peace.